Hey guys, if you're having trouble with the NVIDIA app and it won't open, keep watching. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it. If you're seeing an error message on your screen, start by closing that window. Then go to the Start menu, search for Device Manager, and open it. Inside Device Manager, click on Display Adapters to expand the list and locate your NVIDIA graphics card. Right-click on your NVIDIA GPU and select Update Driver. After that, click Browse My Computer for drivers. Then choose Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select your NVIDIA graphics card from the list and click Next. Give it a few minutes to install the driver. Once the installation is complete, close Device Manager and try relaunching the NVIDIA app to see if the issue is resolved. If it's still not working, don't worry. Close the NVIDIA app again, open the Start menu, and search for Settings. In Settings, go to Apps, then click on Installed Apps. Use the search bar to find NVIDIA. Click the three dots next to the NVIDIA app and select Uninstall. Confirm the uninstall and wait for it to finish. After that, open your browser and search for NVIDIA App Download. Click the top result, then press Download Now. Once the file is downloaded, open it and follow the installation steps. Make sure to accept the terms and conditions. After installation, the NVIDIA app should launch automatically. You'll be prompted to choose between the Game Ready driver and the NVIDIA Studio driver. Pick the one that suits your needs, then click Next and finish the setup. That's it. Your NVIDIA app should now be working properly. If this helped, drop a comment below, and I'll see you in the next video.